I love handwork. That's my specialty. That's the top end of the trade. Your precision counts. I learned the skills I have today by getting in with a small company, and we were doing residential. And I worked with a grumpy old cabinet maker. I'd rather eat barbed wire than borrow a tool from him. So I bought all my own stuff, and then I had to learn how to use it. The most important thing to us working is our tools. I collect antique tools. I really appreciate the old world tools for different purposes. I'm a frustrated inventor. I make a lot of my own tools. And every tool I own, I have tweaked in some kind of way to make it work more efficiently. As far as favorite jobs go, all of them. I learned something from every job. Working with the homeowners, the most satisfying aspect of that is to see them happy.